Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. Before I tell you what we're learning about today, we need our friend Bluey. Here she is. Okay, now we can get started. Guess what, Bluey? Today we're learning about dinosaurs. Wow, I love learning about dinosaurs. They're so awesome. I know, Bluey, and we're going to learn all kinds of interesting facts about them today. So let's get into the book. Are you ready? Oh, I'm super ready. Super ready. Okay, this book is called Dinosaurs. Ooh, look at this bright orange dinosaur right on the cover. Okay, let's have a look inside. Far away in a dry, dusty desert, scientists have made an incredible discovery. They found the bones of a Tyrannosaurus rex, a type of dinosaur, a very scary type of dinosaur. It doesn't look very scary. Imagine if we went back to dinosaur times and saw it in real life. Ooh, it would be gigantic. Dinosaurs were reptiles. They had scales and they laid eggs. They stomped around Earth millions and millions and millions of years ago. That's a very long time ago. That's right, Bluey. The word dinosaur means terrible reptile, but not all dinosaurs were huge and scary. There were lots of types, and they all looked different. Dinosaurs probably had thick, scaly skin, but no one really knows what it looked like. Scientists have found dinosaur bones with feathers attached, so some probably had small, fluffy feathers, like this velociraptor. It might have been green or yellow or red, or green, yellow, and red. That's right, Bluey. It could have been all different colors. We don't really know. This one's smaller than a chicken. And this dinosaur is absolutely gigantic. Titanosaurs were the biggest dinosaurs that we know about so far. This is a stegosaurus. It has big bony plates along its back. Right here. Do you see them? And this dinosaur down here had a thick club at the end of its tail. It probably used it to whack enemy dinosaurs, like this. This one had a curved bone on its head to show off to other dinosaurs. It called to them with a long, loud hoot, like this. Hoot! Wow, I didn't know what sounds dinosaurs make. What did dinosaurs do all day? Well, dinosaurs spent their days in the same way that lots of other wild animals do. They had plant-eating dinosaurs. They chomped on tasty plants. Some had very long necks to reach leaves high in the trees, like this guy. And then there were meat-eating dinosaurs that looked for other dinosaurs to eat. Uh-oh for this little guy. Eek! Sometimes dinosaurs fought each other over food or to prove how tough they were. These two are having a headbutting battle. Bump, bump. Aw, look at these dino babies. They're so cute. Mother dinosaurs looked after baby dinosaurs, which hatched out of eggs like this. And all dinosaurs enjoyed a nice, long snooze. Shh, he's sleeping. While dinosaurs roamed the land, flying creatures called pterosaurs swooped through the skies. Some pterosaurs dived into the sea to catch fish, like this guy. And others snatched insects from the air. Wow, look at this big guy down here. Is that a sea dinosaur? Yes, Bluey, this dinosaur had very sharp teeth. It swam to the surface to breathe and then dived down to gobble fish to eat. Some pterosaurs had strange crests on their head. No one knows why. That one looks so cool. Maybe it was just for decoration like we wear clothes. Maybe, Bluey. Pterosaurs had short fuzzy hair all over their bodies to keep them warm. This enormous hunter had jaws powerful enough to crunch through turtles the size of cars. That's not good news for me, said this turtle. Dinosaurs stomped around our planet for millions of years until, wham! 66 million years ago, a massive rock whizzed from space and smashed into Earth. Huge clouds of dust flew into the air, blocking out most of the sunlight. Oh no! What does that mean for our dinosaurs? Well, it buried a lot of dinosaurs underground. The world became cold and dark. Plants died, so the plant-eating dinosaurs that were left had nothing to eat. So they died too. And now the meat-eating dinosaurs had nothing left to eat either. Uh-oh, so they died as well. Soon, there were no dinosaurs left. I'm sad there are no dinosaurs left. Well, Bluey, dinosaurs died out a long time ago, but thankfully, we know a lot about them thanks to dinosaur remains that are called fossils. Over millions of years, layers of rock covered the dinosaur bones. Rainwater trickled through the rock, and then chemicals in the water turned the bones into stone-like remains, and we call them fossils. Over more millions of years, wind and rain wore away at the rock. Sometimes fossils poked out from the top. Wow, that's really cool. Today, scientists search for dinosaur fossils. If they find one, they carefully chip away at the rock around it. They lift the fossil from the rock and then they send it to a laboratory. At the fossils lab, scientists clean up dinosaur fossils to be displayed in museums. Come in and see how. That sounds like a super cool job to be able to look at dinosaur bones all day long. Yes, Bluey, let's see how it works. The dinosaurs used little scrapers and power tools to remove any rock left on the fossils. A cleaner tube sucks up bits of rock and dirt. Next, they repair any damage to the fossil. They seal cracks with special glue and fill the holes with putty. If scientists find lots of fossils from the same dinosaur, they can put them together to make a skeleton like this one. This can tell a lot about the dinosaur, such as how it moved. Where does this one go? Without fossils, we wouldn't know much about dinosaurs at all. I'm still sad that there aren't dinosaurs anymore, but I'm super happy that we can learn about them through fossils and their bones. Here are some other clues that tell us about dinosaurs. Fossils of dinosaur eggs can tell us about dinosaur babies. Huge dinosaur footprints show where they stomped millions of years ago. Fossils of dinosaur dung tell us what dinosaurs ate or if they had diseases. Do you know what dung is, Bluey? It's poop. Poop? They look at dinosaur poop? Yep, it actually tells them a lot about dinosaurs, Bluey. Are all the dinosaurs really gone? Yes, but over millions of years, some feathered dinosaurs, like these ones, changed into birds. Are all birds related to dinosaurs then? Yup, even chickens. Cluck, cluck. Wow, so we still do have dinosaurs, like any kind of bird that I see. That's right, Bluey, we do. Why do Tyrannosaurus rex have such tiny arms? Well, that's because they didn't need big arms. They used their huge legs and powerful jaws to hunt and eat. How many different types of dinosaurs were there? We know of about 700 types so far, but there were probably many more. Scientists find new ones all the time. Maybe one day you'll discover one by yourself. Wow, what a cool idea! I'm gonna go looking for a dinosaur fossil right now in my backyard. Oh yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video and I hope you learned a lot about dinosaurs with me. And next time we're gonna learn about something else super cool. So don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye!